I named it Unity, and I wanted it to represent a village and also my tribe, which is the Lakota people. I wanted to represent my roots, my culture, where I come from, where my people come from. I wanted the person to envision a village and people and just community and growth. It all ties into one.
Shalise is very quiet. She's very kind of unassuming. She's, doesn't like to be out in the spotlight. But when it comes to her artwork, she's very accepting of it. She doesn't like to put it out there, but we like to. She's actually the one who did our new logo. She's all into how her artwork fits within her community, within her social media, within education. They're not individual anymore. To her, it's all part of a circle. If you drive through Poplar and you come through town and you hit campus, you've hit a whole, you see there's life there. There's care there. Yeah, we were excited. I was really excited, to be picked out of, that many excellent artists. That's pretty proud moment for us. Yeah.
College Fund has helped me a lot through these past few years of college, with scholarships and stuff, and just knowing that I can help in giving back, the sales of the blankets. Pendleton is one of my favorite brands. I collect a lot of the mugs and blankets and jackets and such. They tried their best to work with the artist more, to try to get it as close as to our vision as possible. They always double check and make sure that it's what we want as the artist. I'm living my dream at such a young age because I have always wanted to be a graphic artist. This just adds on to my art journey, which is a good feeling.